Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to model instrument cable tray in Aveva E3D. We have this snapshot and you can see that electricals and instrument trays are modeled in a platform. So let's start. To create a cable tray, we have to go to the cable tray module here, and here you will find these options of the cable tray routing. First, we have to select our site under which we are going to model our instrument cable tray. This is my instrument site and this is my zone, and I will create my instrument cable tray under this zone. We have this junction box and we will start from the tray from this junction box. To create a tray, click on cable tray and this create form will be open here. You have to give the naming. I will give the name. Specification, you guys can select the specification from your instrument cable tray layout drawing from your company. Then OK, click on attributes. You have to select the tray width here. I will select 900. OK, OK. Branch form is open here. Click again OK. And here the head connection is showing here. So first we have to change the width of the tray. Now here you have to select the direction. Right now it is showing east, but I want to create the cable tray upside. So I will type here up and pick this point, click on graphics, and I will select top of this box, apply. Now cancel this one. Click on here component form, click on forward here, and I will select a riser here. And here I will select 900. Click direction, type direction here, west. OK. Now we want to move up. Give a distance here. I will give 6.5 meter distance. I want to run this tray above the piping. So I will adjust the height. I will make it 6700. While modeling cable tray, you guys have to add all the piping structure and mechanical equipment in the E3D model so that your tray will not clash with any other discipline. So now I will create a T here. Click on T, create, and I want to create a reducing T 900 by 600. So I will select here 6 by 9 here. So T is created now. Click on through ID cursor and I want to bring the T here. Click here on bend, create, and my bend is 90 900. Again click on through ID cursor. I want to bring it here. Now again create T. This time I want to get 300 by 900. Click on through ID cursor here. I want to bring it there and type here by north 2 meter with respect to word. We will run the tray periphery of the platform. Here, then this way, that way. Again create a bend here, 900 through ID cursor and bring top of this safety walkway here. Now we will create a T again, create T, and we will create the T 900 by 600. Okay, again through ID cursor and click on this tree. So we will connect new branch from this T to that T. Again, click on bend here. Click on through ID cursor, bring it there. We will make a bend here again. On through ID cursor, bring it there. So now I want to close the tray here. For that, click on branch, click tail, select a last member, apply. Now we have to fill the straight in the tray. So click on fill with the straights, click on branches. The fills are created automatically. Now we will create a new branch from this point to this point. Click here on branch, OK, and give the width my 600. Now we have to give the direction, and direction is north side. I will make it north, then pick, select the point here and apply. Head point is created now. Cancel, click on component form, type here a fixed tray, and I will give distance 2 meter, create FL, and my direction is north. Now we have to click on branch, click on tail, and we have to connect with T. Click on apply and select this T here. Cancel there. Cancel. Now click on fill with straights. OK. So branch is created. So in this way we can create a cable trays in Aveva E3D.